Let me walk you through to the SharePoint online document library, which is set up for the QHSE department. This is set up for one of our clients, which have a solution based on Microsoft 365, and their document management system is based on SharePoint Online. So, as a sample, I take an example of one of their document libraries, which is structured for QHSE department. So here we have bird eye view of all the documents which are stored or archived in the document library. Here we can see. So one of the best structuring option here is to first of all set it up in department. So once we set up this view, we can see that we can easily see the number of departments available for that particular section, department, or an organization. Here just glimpses of the initial indicators of the structuring. However, there's a lot more to it. So, but that's just like a initial example how we can best structure QHSE department documentation for oil and gas industries based on the ISO standards. So here we're gonna take an example of QHSE. Here we can see that we have the validity areas and the discipline, and also the type of the documentation. So yeah, so there are corrective action reports and audit reports. Also, we have the possibility of initiating a approval workflow. Right now the approval status is draft, but once it is approved, it's gonna have approval stamp, date and time stamp, and also it can go to 1, 2, and 3, and so on levels of approvals. Also, how it works is like for the approvals for QHSE, we have dedicated representative. For example, for QHSE, we have this person. For IT and for HR, we can assign, and then also for further levels, we can keep on adding the number of representative for that. For example, for QHSE, if there are 3 levels of approvals, we can add more approvals down here. So it will actually loop through each single approval in the approval process. Yeah, so this is basic example of SharePoint online document library for structuring QHSE department documents.